When the pimp's in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Happy birthday, Adonis. Mommy is so proud of the amazing young man that you are growing up to be. Every year you surprise me with your kindness, your bright mind, and all the laughter that you bring to everyone's lives. Every day I'm reminded of how great I am to be called your mom. Every soccer goal, every hug, every kiss, it just makes mommy heart so warm. As you go into your next year of life, your 11th year of life, remember that you can do anything that you put your mind to. Stay dreaming, stay curious, and never forget how loved you are. Mommy loves you so much. I love you, Adonis.
Hey son, what's up? My twin. Listen, unfortunately Dad can't be there today. So I want you to turn up, have fun, do your thing, enjoy it, and happy 11th birthday. Okay? Alright, love you. Remember, for the love, care, for the always locked in. Adonis and Dad. Oh, don't forget, FC 26, you're not going to beat me like you've been beating me at FC 25. I'm about to get my game up. Alright? Have fun. Holla.
Your 11th birthday, Adonis. I love you and I can't wait to see all the amazing things that you will do. Love you and I miss you. From Grandma.
Nephew, what's going on, man? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, boy. About to be an old man, boy.
Yes, you are.
Old man, boy. Woo.
Love you.
Happy birthday to my favorite nephew, Adonis. You bring so much joy, laughter, and love into our lives. I'm so proud of the amazing young man that you have grown to be. I can't wait to see what we have next in store. Thank you again for being so great. And enjoy this special day. You deserve everything. I hope you enjoy your birthday party. I love you so much, baby. Love you, Adonis. Have a great day. Yay!
Birthday, Adonis!
We hope you love your
birthday.
Happy birthday, Adonis. We love you.
Get them boots off the ground, young man.
We're so proud of you. Have a great birthday. We love you.
Hey Adonis, Aunt Nene here. Wishing you a very happy 11th birthday. We love you and have a great time at your party. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Adonis, from the Hiller family. Hey, happy birthday, happy to you. It's happy birthday, Adonis, and you are now, I don't know.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.